Kidikot ke National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, haringkat ke jingi Trailang ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, pat ki board district karib hoy, ne kasngi ke penlong ke program ke bala tip kum ka redressal matter of child rights violation ne ka kenja jinglang bakarpang habreng kita gibriu nakatanat yada ay ka hok ki khna ki officer bat ki khna school nakabanta bantep ki jing e ka bayakandu de ki khna po ka district hak te ki jinglang la sakhi de ki jing don lang ka pragna parande dokot ka NCPCR ka kong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy District uba C Sirti MPS Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoy District ka kong Mina Kharkongor Chairperson ka MSCPCR ka kong B Kharluki Judicial Magistrate Lembat Kiway Kiway.
You should turn your dark horses, and we are sitting here to listen about complaints on our own department. This is a big achievement because no one wants to listen about their own department and loopholes. And I thank each and everyone. Chairperson and duty. We are duty-bound citizens. I am very happy that we started working in. This is just an experiment. All 4 members and chairperson we sat together and a team from education division. We started. We didn't expect that this type of response. We received in total more than 5,000 complaints. Some benches more than 1,000 also. Some benches 2,500, 150. Some states we took one host district and adjacent 3 to 4 districts as a participant. And only one bench I witnessed this number of students. But they allotted different batches. They came, observed for 1 hour, then went away. So here you spent the entire day with us. Most probably some of you were. We can reach out to the very last child. This is our duty. And with regard to the children's, I would like to thank each and every child who is present here. And from different schools, I think this is the first of its kind that you are attending such programs, isn't it? You have come to learn so many things, no? What are your rights, where you can complain, and you must know that as an individual, you have the right to your own body. Okay? Like DC had already mentioned earlier also. Do not allow anyone to misuse you or to, harass you in any manner, be it your seniors, your colleagues, your teachers in school, and you must be very alert you do your studies well, but your surroundings also matters. Go into such relationships, okay? Always remember that. You cannot say he's my boyfriend, I'm in love with him. From home they are okay for us to get married. This act will not allow you. So it becomes easier on the police also to work, isn't it? Because we get lots of such cases. So this is an awareness for you also to know that the right age to marry is 18 above and 21 years above. Complete your studies, do well in your careers, and then you build a family. That way you get a loving and a secure home to stay. We do not want to see our homes breaking. Because here we have lots of broken homes, lots of single mothers, and that ultimately the burden falls on the children. Okay? So this is my advice, and or anywhere in your surroundings, call this number. There will be people to come and help you out. You can also call 100, that is the police helpline number. Okay? And any issues you have, everyone is here to help you out.